Welcome to the PowerBasic for Beginners YouTube channel. This channel was created to provide a series of informative tutorials for both the PowerBasic console and Windows compilers. Also to allow those new to the language a view of just what can be done using PowerBasic. Today we're covering a small update to the GSF software website. This website is intended as an easy-to-use index for the two YouTube channels that we run. The URL for this website can be found in the description of all the YouTube videos. As well as displaying on this initial page all the videos that have been released in the last month, there's one addition we've made to it today. Currently, you can look at the source view for any of the applications covered in the video. This gives you a list of all the source code for that project. However, in our projects, there are many library files which are utilised. These are included at the beginning of the code. And there's nothing currently on screen that would have shown you what that code actually is. However, we have now added a new menu option at the top of the screen called Library Files. This gives a list of all the libraries that are currently in use. So if we have a look at our result before, we can see that this application is using a library called PB File Handling Routines. We can view that library now by going to the Library Files page, scrolling down and finding the library file. And there is our File Handling Routines library. There is a source file for this as well. If we click on that, we are now viewing the source code for this particular library. This opens in a separate tab in your browser from the original code, so you can jump back and forward between the two to see what's within the library functions called from the application. As we add new libraries to our codebase, these will automatically be added to this indexed website. Hopefully this will make it easier to find your way around the code. However, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.